Yeah. Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review of this Mi Smart electric toothbrush that my brother got for himself just today. And here is my brother.
Hi.
And he also wanted to show you his awesome mask from Boy with Yuk.
Yes.
And also his mask can change to different images, and you can also set some images that are completely customizable. So if you want a review of that device too, please tell me in the comments. And going back to this toothbrush, let's unbox it. Okay. So if you didn't know, this toothbrush was like 320 bolivianos in my country, and in US dollars it would be like around 50 bucks, almost 45 US dollars. 50 bucks would be like 350 bolivianos. So this was 320, and that's like around 45 bucks. And there is the toothbrush itself. I have the same toothbrush, and I will make another review of this device with more detail, because I'm using this around like 6 months now.
What is this one?
Also guys, if you didn't know, I'm recording this on the Pixel 8 Pro, and most of my videos on this channel are recorded on this device. So as you can see here, you have the top part of the toothbrush, and this is like a replaceable piece. So you can buy 10 of these and have them in your shelf until you need it. And you just put this on the electric toothbrush that is only that white stick. And this is the charger. You don't have this part in the box, like the charger itself. It comes just with the cable and this piece. So when you see this the toothbrush, you can see there is a hole in the bottom, and you only have to do this and connect this cable to the wall, and that should work. Also it comes with this top piece to protect the inside of the toothbrush, so you can keep this on your bathroom to keep this clean and make it last longer. And this is a little hard to get out. So this is the toothbrush, and right now it has low battery. I don't know if you can hear the vibration. You can set different modes. That's 1, 2, and 3. So I don't know exactly for what is each one of these modes, but I normally use this one. I think one of these is for whitening your teeth. So that's it. And all you have in the box is the charger, the toothbrush, the protector, this one, and these rings to customize your toothbrush. I don't know how to put this in, but we will be trying that and testing that.
I think
Also,
I know how to put it.
your toothbrush has this protector, and you can just slide this right away. And
Give me.
also, as you can see, you have this semicircle piece of metal, and this goes and you can put the toothbrush there. So you have to make sure that this plain part goes like that, because if you try to put the semicircle part like that, this will not get in. So please make sure you're doing this the right way. And here's the toothbrush with the mode that I normally use.
How do you like it? It's impossible. Help me.
Okay, we'll be trying that. So guys, this part came right off when I pushed it a little harder, and that's what you have to do if you want to customize your toothbrush. You take this out like with your nails, and then you can change it to green or blue. What do you prefer?
Green.
Green?
I love green.
Okay. Okay.
I'll do it.
This. So that's it. Now
You did it.
toothbrush has this green piece. Are you happy with your toothbrush?
Yes. I'm happy.